Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix cannot send messages in Discord channel. Many users can see channels but cannot type or send messages. And this usually happens due to permissions, role restrictions, or connection issues. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks can block messages. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 1, verify channel permissions. Right-click the channel, go to Edit Channel greater than permissions, and ensure your role has Send Messages enabled. Admin or server changes may have restricted access. Step 2, check your server roles. Some roles may prevent messaging in certain channels. Confirm your role allows sending messages. Step 3, clear Discord cache. Corrupted cache may block sending. On PC, go to app data greater than Discord, greater than cache, and clear it, then restart Discord. Step 4, restart Discord or your PC. Closing and reopening refreshes your session. Small glitches often fix this way. Step 5, disable VPN or proxy. Some network setups may restrict Discord actions. Turn them off temporarily and try again. Step 6, check for server or channel mutes. You may have been muted by admin or by server settings. Contact moderators if needed. Finally, contact Discord support if the problem persists. Provide server, channel, and steps tried. Support can check account or server issues. So yeah, fixing cannot send messages in Discord channel is about checking internet, verifying channel permissions, checking roles, clearing cache, restarting Discord, disabling VPN, checking mutes, and contacting support. Follow these steps and messaging should work normally again. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.